The Suzuki Celerio is Suzuki's entry into the subcompact hatchback market. The small hatchback features an updated 3D organic sculpted design as seen on the sleek and rounded front fascia with a new signature grille and distinct character lines that both improve the design of the vehicle and its aerodynamics. The current generation boasts an increase in dimensions compared to the previous generation. It can fit 5 passengers. It features an improved cargo capacity of 295 liters, while additional space can be had thanks to its 60/40 split and folding seats. On the interior, it comes with a 7-inch Sony touchscreen with web-link functionality. The Celerio is powered by Suzuki's K10C 3-cylinder 1.0-liter engine. The DOHC engine produces 66 horsepower and 89 Nm of torque. The engine can be either had with a 5-speed manual transmission or an auto gear shift (AGS) transmission. Standard safety features of the vehicle include ABS with EBD, dual SRS airbags, stability control, and reverse parking sensors. It also comes with front fog lamps which are complemented by 15-inch alloy wheels. At the rear the hatchback gets droplet-style taillights. As for its colors, it can be had in speedy blue metallic, glistening gray metallic, fire red, and acrylic white. On the inside, the 3D organic sculpted design continues. This is accentuated by the twin-slot center AC vents that come with chrome accents and barrel-type side air vents with silver trim on the side. The hatchback comes with manually adjustable seats with a fabric material. The good news continues with the seating posture as well. The driver seats are well cushioned and wide enough to accommodate drivers of most sizes. A big range for the seat height adjustment means short and taller drivers will be comfortable and have good outward visibility. The tilt-adjustable steering further helps with the proper driving position. However, the seating is still low, like a conventional hatchback, and not tall, like an SUV, something you get in the Espresso. Overall, from an ergonomic standpoint, the Celerio is spot on. But then comes cabin practicality, an area where this hatchback leaves us wanting for more. It gets 2 cup holders and a not so wide, but deep, storage tray right ahead, which can't fit modern-day smartphones, leaving them dangling while charging. Other than this, you get a decent-sized glove box and door pockets on all doors. The cabin could have had more storage spaces, particularly in front of and behind the handbrake. Open storage on the dashboard would have been nice too. The feature list here is quite useful, if not extensive. On the top is a 7-inch touchscreen infotainment unit, paired with 4 speakers, that supports Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. However, sound quality is average at best. You also get a manual AC, push-button start, electrically adjustable ORVMs, steering-mounted controls, and hill hold assist with the AMT transmission. Comfort is an essential factor for buying any small family car that will spend most of its time on city roads. The Celerio manages to isolate you well from surface imperfections at slow speeds and keeps you comfortable. The first thing you notice as you set off is just how easy the Celerio is to drive. We mean a light clutch, gears slotting in easily, and compliant throttle response. All these combined makes getting off the line smooth and effortless. The engine has a good amount of usable power at the start, helping you accelerate at a brisk pace. It's not very quick but steadily builds speed. This nature of the engine also allows the Celerio to feel responsive within city limits. Going for overtakes is easy at city speeds and does not usually require a downshift,